Our focus on Ghaziabad. Well, all three contestants in Ghaziabad are trying to shun the outside attack, be it BJP's General VK Singh, who's taking on Congress's Raj Babbar, and also then you have the Aam Aadmi Party's Shazia Ilmi. In an exclusive chat with Times Now, General VK Singh says Shazia Ilmi is quote-unquote immature. Let's listen in.
General VK Singh, you're being considered a favorite even though you're an outsider. But tell me, you've had to face a lot of issues. The first point that has been made about you is the fact that if more generals keep joining politics, India will not be India, India will be Pakistan.
That was a very immature and silly, if I can call it that way, comment made by one of the candidates. I think anybody making such comment first needs to study what our constitution says. Second, I think such people are basically anti-national. They don't know what nationalism is and what the army does for the nation. When such people are in trouble, they clamor for the army to come and help them.
But this was said by the Aam Aadmi Party candidate of Ghaziabad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Very immature. Very, very immature. And even as a party, I think Aam Aadmi Party has exhibited total immaturity.
Now, there is always talk that Mr. Rajnath Singh actually ran away from here. And you were given a constituency that was a difficult constituency. How difficult has it been?
No, I don't think firstly that impression is correct. These are all things which are put out by vested interests. He has been taken to Lucknow as part of Bharatiya Janata Party's electoral strategy. There was no requirement for him to go there. Similarly, Narendra Modi ji has been asked to contest from Varanasi. There was no requirement for him to come from Gujarat to Varanasi. There is a strategy in place. And that said, this is, if I can call it, something which he has left to me to look after. So I find it good. The only problem has been that the time has been short. One has had less time to reach out to 24,21,000 people. A very large number, very large constituency. I wish we had some more time. That's okay.
You were in the army during the Kargil operations of 1999. Now, your rivals have said the war was won by Muslims.
Anybody who speaks of caste and creed and language for the army seriously needs to be, taken down by law. Army of India is Indian Army. It has got all caste, creed, religion. We are Indians first, Hindus and Muslims and Sikhs and Isais later. So let's not get involved in it. Anybody who talks of this is not only immature, but I think is deliberately exhibiting divisive politics.
If people vote for you, will they vote for Mr. Modi or are they voting for you?
They'll vote for both.